how to use the BMW shifter. First, notice this black button right here. You have to press it to shift from park to reverse, neutral, drive, manual, or sport mode. So right now we're on park. To move to drive, press this button right here and flick it down twice. We're on drive. To go to park, just press this button right here. We're now on park. From park, if you want to move to reverse, press this button as well and move it forward twice. Now let's go back to park. So while you're on drive, let's go back to drive. If you want to go to neutral, press this button and move it forward just once. We're on neutral. To move to reverse, press this button as well and move it forward just once. We're on reverse. From reverse down to drive, press this button and push it down all the way. You go to drive. From drive, if you push it forward all the way, you go back to reverse. So we're back on park. So now I want to teach you how to use the manual and sport mode. From park, move down to drive, then you push it towards your side, the left side. Now we're on manual or sport mode. You can see this part changes to S. That's sport mode. Okay, so from sport mode, you can either downshift by pushing forward, that's minus right here, and you can upshift by pulling the gear knob to the back. That's plus. As you can see, here is my M2. If I downshift, it goes back to M1. Upshift, just like that. From manual or sport mode, if you want to go to park, which is my best part, just press this button and it's going to move back into position. Watch this. Did you see that? Okay, so guys, that is all for today. I hope you got educated on how to use the BMW Steptronic system. Bye.